Hi, Michael Rosbrook here, creator of the Tax Resolution Success Resource Program. And what I do is I help CPAs, enrolled agents, and attorneys build highly profitable practices by showing you how to add IRS tax resolution to your firms. Today, what I'd like to talk about are some of the major mistakes that practitioners make in their marketing. And we're going to talk about three of them. The first one is relying on one marketing strategy to drive business. The second big mistake I see is that practitioners have no capability of capturing leads online. And the third one is that you have to have multiple marketing strategies working at the same time to ensure that you have new clients coming into your firm month in, month out. And let's talk about the first mistake, relying on just one marketing strategy to drive all your leads, all your business. You know, in the world and as in business, the number one is the loneliest number there is. You never want to rely on just one customer for your business. You never want to rely on just one employee having the keys to the kingdom in your office. And you certainly don't want to rely on just one bank with regard to credit line capability. I've always had several of these in place at the same time in case one didn't work. And the same thing with your marketing. If you rely on just one marketing strategy, for example, let's take Google for example. If you were using Google just 18 months ago or a year ago, and using AdWords or paid search or even content marketing, Google changed their algorithms where it used to be that if you loaded your website with meta tags and keywords, that the search engine spiders would pick those up, and depending on what those keywords are in meta tags, you would be ranked on the number 1, 2, or 3 search results on the first page. Well, they changed that algorithm, and I hear from a lot of practitioners all of a sudden they can't be found on Google because the new way things are working is Google is looking at content-rich content geared to the consumer, and you link that back to your Google Plus account. And the way you push that content out is on a blog. So you need to have a blog, and you need to be posting to a blog either weekly or bi-weekly or at the very least monthly with content-rich information, educational content geared to your client. And once you do that on a regular basis, Google will start ranking you again in the top 1, 2, 3 search results of the first page when people are looking for offer and compromise or wage levies released or we handle Ohioans' tax problems to become the local expert. So that's what you need to do today in order to get ranked. You need to change the way you've been doing things on Google. So going back to not having just one strategy, you also need to be sending out referral letters to other professionals in your area, other bankruptcy attorneys who see a lot of clients that have tax problems that they can refer to you. You also want to make sure that you're sending out and nurturing your prospects and current clients with a newsletter. Newsletter marketing is very, very powerful. You need to be in front of them at least once a month so they know that you exist. So when they get that levy notice or that IRS letter in the mail, you're top of mind and you're the first ones they're going to call. So that's the tip for today, and we'll see you next time.